Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this look. It's a very subtle and simple makeup for festival and for Navaratri. So if you want to know how I get this look, so please continue watching, and before that please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and click a bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of my videos. So without any further delay, let's get it in the video guys. So first thing, I'm going to use vitamin C serum from Biotic. So this is my daily routine serum. And next I'm going to use a moisturizer from Clinique. This is the best moisturizer for oily skin. You can try it out. So after my moisturizer, I'm going to do a primer. So primer, today I have taken Fenty primer. So this is the best primer for flawless base. So I'm going to moisture my lip. I'm applying my lip balm. So now I'm going to color correct my face because I have a lot of discoloration, a lot of dark spots. So what I'm doing here, I'm just applying a color corrector where I have all the dark spots and discoloration. And next I'm going to blend it with a brush to get the flawless finish. So next I'm going to use a MAC concealer palette in the shade dark. So I'm taking an exact shade of my skin tone. I'm just hiding all the color corrector where I have done the orange color corrector. So next I'm going to use foundation. Today I'm going to use two foundations, which is Fenty foundation in the shade 420 and from MAC NC46, because Fenty is a little bit dark for me and NC46 is a little bit light for me. So I'm going to mix both and get the exact shade. So today I'm using a very mild foundation, not heavy foundation, because this is not a full coverage makeup. I need a very simple and subtle look, so that's why. And concealer, I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 40 caramel. So just blending with my beauty sponge is my my favorite instead of using brush, because it gives you a flawless finish. So next, baking I'm gonna use Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa. So my eyebrow have done in off camera. So I have dust off all the excess powder. For contouring, I'm using a MAC concealer palette, the same one. So in that I have taken dark shade and doing my nose contour and my jawline. So for eyes today, I'm using a rose gold palette from Huda Beauty. This is one of my favorite. So from that palette, I'm taking a sandalwood shade and applying all over my lid areas. And next I'm taking this Enna shade and applying all over the lid areas. And today I'm doing a very simple one. So next, taking this Rescue shade and applying on crease areas and the outer corner of my eyes. So just create that smoky look. And next I'm taking the black shade and applying outer corner to create the smoky look. Very lighter and just blending. Now I'm taking a Fling shade. It's a beautiful shimmer shade, applying center of my lid areas. And next I'm going to take a rose gold shimmer shade and applying inner corner of my eyes. And next I'm going to blend with the brush. So now I'm applying kajal from Forever 52. So now I'm applying a gel eyeliner on my upper waterline. For eyeliner, today I'm taking a gel eyeliner from Maybelline and creating a small wing liner here. So I'm done with my eyeliner. So next I'm going for mascara. Mascara I'm taking from Essence today. So from the same palette, I'm taking a Rescue shade and applying waterline, lower waterline to get the smoky look. So for lower lashes, I'm taking Essence mascara, this from same brand, and this is a beautiful one. You can apply easily for lower lashes. So next, blush, I'm taking blush from Health palette and applying on cheek areas. For highlighter, I'm taking Makeup Revolution highlighter. Shade I'll give you in the description box. Please, you can check it out. So I'm applying on my cheekbone and brow bone areas. So lips, today I'm taking Essence lip liner. So lipstick I'm taking from Body Shop. Today I'm applying a very mild lip shade. So it's a very beautiful color for festival or any traditional wear, and it looks so beautiful on dusky skin tone. So it will take a little time, 2-3 minutes to get dry, and it is a very mattifying lipstick. Now I completed my makeup. So here is the final look. So now I'm gonna set my face using Too Faced Peach Mist Setting Spray. It's very nice, and it is a mattifying setting spray. So here is the final look. Actually, I have changed my lipstick. It is a mattifying one. Today I have tried lip gloss. I never tried a lip gloss, ever tried. So today I thought of try it for this look, and it's very nice. I really liked it. The lip gloss from Essence, I'll give you in the description box. You can check it out. It's a very nice one. So here is the final look. I have completed everything, and I really like the look, the way it came out, and I really hope that you guys will like this look. And thank you so much for watching, guys. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I will see you all on my next video. Until then, Nitya, take care. Bye bye.